Hello, guys. Welcome to the Trading Ambience Weekly Market Recap and Market Outlook again this weekend. In this episode, we will reflect on how the market unfolded throughout the week, breaking down the major price movements, structural developments, and key moments that shaped the market behaviors. Then we will shift our focus to the week ahead by analyzing the higher time frame context, identifying important market structures, key levels, and potential scenarios that deserves our attention. So, as always, our objective is not to predict the market; it is to understand what the price is communicating, remain aligned with structure, and prepare for opportunities through patience and confirmation. So, let's go into this week market recap and outlook. So we will be starting this week by looking at USD JPY. So on USD JPY that we have here, we have this previous high. That's a significant high. Then how did the price approach this high? The price approached with an impulse, a bullish impulse, right here. For me, this is a bullish impulse. Then a bearish reversal structure right here. So the structure there is bearish reversal structure, and after the price approached the top of this structure, what do we have here? We have a bearish impulse, which broke the price out of this entire structure. So going down to the 4 hours or mid time frame, we have a bearish impulse, a bearish continuation structure. So I placed my entry right here yesterday. Price took me in, then pushed back up. So when the market opens, we see how that will turn out. But on the higher time frame, the overall target for me is the base of this higher time frame structure. But as market behaves, it does not move in a straight line. So we have to play along with the market, not what we want. Not being adamant about what we want the markets to do. You understand? So that's that on USDJPY. So the next here we're looking at, okay, we talked about gold last week. So looking at gold on the higher time frame, don't forget we talked about this low. This is a significant low, and how the price approach that low. The price approached the low with a bearish impulse and a bullish reversal structure. So going down to the mid time frame to see how the price actually play out there. So we've been on gold now for the past couple of weeks, and we've taken multiple trades. I took a trade here, right here. I closed out somewhere around here. Then the market printed a mid time frame continuation structure. My price broke out of it. On the lower time frame, I found an entry here. I took this. Then the market broke out of this higher time frame structure. So initially last week, when the price broke out, my initial entry was somewhere right here. So my initial entry was right here. So the price took me in. My stop loss was placed below. So price took me in and took me out at break even after 1 hour. So then I waited to see how the price would develop further. So we have this expanding structure. So this is why patience is very, very important. So if you look inward into this correction, and you see some mid-time frame bearish price actions there, but I was not looking at them because the higher time frame structure is telling me the price is bullish, the market is bullish. So looking at this lower time frame structure, mid time frame structure, bearish price actions here, they have of no significance to me. So overall here we have this expanding structure, which is a continuation structure for me. So I waited for the price to break out of this structure, then printed a continuation structure. So this is a bullish impulse. Let's go down a bit to see how to this is. So this is a bullish impulse and a bullish continuation structure. So I placed my entry right above here, stop loss below it, and price took us in. So right now we are running in profit and expecting the price to at least push further to this high to around 4,780 80 or so on XAU USD. So going on to the next one for next week, I have AUS 200 or Shiller 200. So we have this high, we have this previous high, and we have this bearish reversal structure. As you can see, the price has been moving in this ascending channel, and finally the price broke out. And for me, this is a left shoulder, this is the edge, and this is the right shoulder. So my entry will be placed right below this continuation structure when the market opens, my stop loss above it, and I'll be looking forward to see the price plummet to the low of this previous continuation structure. Though if I'm to mark this area, we should have two profit targets here. The first one right here, then the second one right here. So I'll be going for the second profit target on AUS 200. The next line we have Euro CHF. We have the Euro Swiss franc. So on Euro Swiss franc, we have this previous high as well. We have previously we took a trade here that's we just closed out recently. If you remember this chart, we have this bullish impulse, bullish continuation structure. So we took a trade there that gave us some profit. So right now the price is on this high. The price goes to this high with an ascending channel. As you can see, the price has been moving in as an up and down in this channel. Then on the Wednesday or so last week, this week rather, the price broke out of this structure. So going down to the mid time frame to see what the price is doing, you can see here we have started printing a continuation structure, but we have to wait for the confirmation of this structure that the price has completed the continuation structure. Then look for entry, place our entry below, or place our entry below, stop us above, or wait for a smaller continuation structure if if the pips are too much for this thing. Then wait for a smaller continuation structure to actually get in on this one. So on Euro CHF. So we'll be looking to see if the price gets to the low of this structure as our profit target. So Euro GBP, I talked about Euro GBP as well last week. It was a trade that we took last week. Yeah. So we talked about this low, this swing low right here, and how the price has been moving in this descending channel. So as you can see on the daily time frame, the price got to this low and immediately pushed back up with an impulse. So we have our impulse here, and the price came down here to create a low. So I marked this low and I started watching how the price was going to react there on that low. So we went down to the mid time frame, and on that low, I saw this impulse. This is impulse one, two, three, four, five. Five wave reversal pattern on the Elliott waves. So on that same low, we have a left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder. So I placed my the initial entry somewhere around here, stop loss below it, but the price printed 1 hour and took me out at break even. Because as a rule of thumb for me, after 1 hour, I move my stop loss to break even. So because I'm not sure of what the market will do, so I have to protect my downside as well. So the price took me in, took me out at break even. Then I got in back again with this continuation structure this week, and as you can see, the price we took 2 hours on this trade, and we closed out there. So right now the price has broken out of this structure. So I am looking forward to see a continuation pattern here or a descending channel. We don't know yet, but that is what I'm looking forward to see. Something like this on Euro GBP for the price to continue pushing higher. So I don't know how this will turn out yet, but it's on my watch list, and I'm looking and I am watching. I'm watching this area of the market to see uh, what we have there in the coming week for euro pound. So on GBP British pound, Swiss franc, we have this previous high as well on this pair. Then we have this ascending channel, ascending wedge rather. We have the left shoulder already, and the price has broken out of this higher time frame structure with an impulse. So on the mid time frame now, I'm looking forward to see a continuation correction here. And as you can see, we have two lows here already. The eyes are not clear yet, so we have to wait to see what we have there on the mid time frame. So if we have the continuation right there, we will place our entry below the continuation structure, then stop us above it, and we'll be targeting the base of the higher time frame reversal structure on the GBP CHF. Next on the list we have uh, Germany 40 CFD. So we have this previous high as well. We have a bullish impulse, a bearish reversal structure. I took a trade here last week, though I didn't talk about it, but I took a trade here last week that did well I closed it out at the base of this structure. But right now, I am looking forward to see a bigger continuation structure right here. And if we have this bigger continuation structure, we'll be looking inwards the structure to see if we have an entry maybe somewhere around here, or wait for the breakout to have the continuation somewhere around there. If everything being equal on Germany 40. So next on the list, we have JP 225. We have been on this trade too from the previous week. We talked about this low. We talked about this descending channel. Okay, the price broke out of the descending channel, and we got in with this continuation structure. So after getting in, the price pushed up here, did about 2 hour, but cremated. So I closed out somewhere around here during the week after seeing this reversal on the mid time frame. So I moved my trailing stop to this level, and price took me out. So I got out with almost 1 hour right here on the JP 225. So right now on the higher time frame, what do we have on the higher time frame now? On the higher time frame now, I think we have this low, this low right here, and the price is approaching that low with a reversal structure, I think. So we are not predicting, we are only waiting to if the market will follow our plans. So on the mid time frame now, I'm looking forward to see the price come down to this low, take this low out, then push up, then give us a continuation structure right here for us to get in back into this into this uh long position. So it is important to be patient, to wait for the market to confirm your thesis. So the initial trade was taken here, price took us out. The bias of the higher time frame has not changed yet. So I am not looking for anything here rather than to get in a long position on the JP 225. So okay, we have some couple of pairs building up. We talked about AUD New Zealand dollar too. We took a trade there last week. So we talked about this low, talked about this descending channel, and how the price approached this low. So right now the price is moving in a bullish reversal structure, but we have to wait for more confirmations on the AUD New Zealand. As you can remember, we talked about it, and I we talked about this setup here. The price came down here, printed a bullish reversal on the mid time frame, and printed a bullish continuation on the mid time frame as well. So initially we got in with with this entry, and price printed a bit for us, and we got out with some profit though not much, but the price has been dropping since then. So on the mid time frame now, what am I looking forward to see? This is what I'm looking forward to see. Okay, we have the wave one, the wave two. I want to see the price come down like this for to give me wave three, four, five, then break out of this structure to print a continuation structure like this, which will take me in. So on the AUD New Zealand dollar. So that is that for that. And if we have that, we'll be looking forward to see the price push up to the bounce of this reversal structure first, then wait for another continuation right here. Next on the list, we have Euro JPY. Euro JPY on the higher time frame, what do we have there? We have a bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. The price has broken out of this reversal structure with an impulse. So on the mid time frame, we are seeing a for me this is a continuation structure, but it is not confirmed yet. So I would like to see the price break out of this place, break out of this structure, then print a smaller continuation structure for me to confirm that this is a continuation structure actually by the market. So on the Euro JPY, and I will be targeting the base of this one as my initial profit target. So next in line we have GBP AUD. GBP AUD, we've taken a couple of trades here as well. So on GBP AUD, presently we have this low, and this is a bullish impulse for me. So the market is approaching that low again with a descending structure, with a descending channel. So I am looking forward to see a five-wave reversal pattern here. So though it is still developing, so we don't know yet. So if the market confirms that, then I'll be looking forward to long to long this pair. So then we have GBP card, GBP card as well. For me, this is a bullish continuation structure for me. This is a bullish continuation structure. It looks more like a flag, bullish impulse, bullish continuation, but the price has not confirmed anything yet. So we have to wait for the price to either get to this low or break out of this structure and print a continuation structure right there. So we just have to wait to see the price take out this low first, take out this low first, then or break out of this time frame structure, then print a continuation structure for us to get into to confirm the thesis on GBP card. So next in line we have GBP JPY, very similar to Euro JPY. We have this bullish impulse, bearish reversal structure. The price limited with an impulse. Then on the new time frame now, what do we have there? We have an ascending structure right here. So I would like to see a breakout and a continuation of this structure. First target below here, if the market confirms our thesis going into the new week. Then we have and New Zealand CAD, New Zealand card. Nothing much here yet on New Zealand card. We have an impulse. This is still developing, so we don't know yet. So on the high time frame, we have to wait to confirm the high time frame setup before going down to the mid time frame or the lower time frame to look for confirmations and entries. The next in line we have New Zealand dollar CHF. For me, this is a bearish impulse, and this is a continuation structure. We have one, two, three highs, and we have these lows as well. So at the very top of this structure right here, at the very top of this structure right here, this is the previous high. So we have a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure, which is in alignment with the bearish overall continuation structure. So within this overall bearish continuation structure, we have a bullish impulse and a bearish reversal structure. So what am I looking forward to see here? I'm looking forward to the price to push higher, take out this high with the reversal pattern on the mid time frame, then something like this. We have the impulse already, so I'm looking forward to the price to print out something like this. Then give us a confirmation right here. So that is only when I will advise we take action on the New Zealand CHL. So we'll be targeting the base of this of this the balance of the reversal structure as a first target, second target somewhere around here. Then the market knows if it will push down here. So on the for the long term this thing. But for now, we are monitoring that for confirmations and on the mid time frame. Then the last but not the least on my watch list for next week, I have US 30 Dow Jones. So for me, we have a bullish impulse, bullish continuation, and right here we have a clear bullish impulse right here. One, two, three, four, five, six. The price was bullish for consistently for 6 days, and you can see the speed right here. So, and on the higher time frame as well, we have a bullish flag, a bullish continuation structure. So, going down to the mid time frame to see what's actually happening here within this structure. As you can see, this is a bullish impulse, this is a bullish continuation structure. We have the left shoulder already. So, going into the week, I would like to see the price break out of this structure, then give me print a continuation structure like this, then place my entry just above it and stop loss below it. And I'll be looking forward to see the price push to the eye of that uh, higher time frame continuation structure. So, guys, that concludes this week market recap and outlook here at the trading ambience. Remember, an outlook is not a prediction; it is a framework for preparation. The market will always have the final say, and it's our responsibility as traders to remain objective, adaptable, and disciplined enough to follow confirm the price action rather than our emotions. So as we enter the new trading week, I will urge you to focus on context before conviction, structure before execution, and risk management before reward. So let the market develop just like I have highlighted them, the PS. Allow your multi-time frame analysis to align and only act when your trading conditions are met. So if you found this analysis valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the trading ambience, and share with other traders committed to mastering both the market and their mindset. Until next week, trade with structure, trade with patience, and master your mind patterns. This is the trading ambience. Thank you very much.